We usually do fun themed birthday parties, but this year I decided no, we're getting out of the house, we're gonna go bowling. Of course, I had to wait 3 days for the bowling alley to open, and then I had to wait until 2 o'clock to wait for it to open. So by the time I got around to calling and then left messages and then they got back to me, I realized the bowling alley is not open Friday during the day when we wanted to have the birthday party because there was no school. So long story short, this is how we planned a Taylor Swift birthday party in 2 days. Actually went off pretty good. If you've got a Swiftie and you're looking for some fun party ideas, keep watching.
What's that supposed to be?
I grabbed a few balloons and paper balloons and decided to make this kind of photo backdrop wall. I was reluctant to put any tape on my new freshly painted walls, but I just gently taped everything up and it stayed good enough for the party. As soon as the party was over, I took it off though. Okay, our Taylor Swift photo booth is ready. I wasn't sure if the kids would want to sit in the chair or just be against the wall there with a little bit of balloons. So we'll see. And then we got lipstick. We're going to use this for a game. And I bought one lipstick and then I bought these makeup sanitizer wipes so that we can clean it after each one. That way I didn't have to buy 10 lipsticks. I grabbed beads with letters and then just some plain beads and elastic string from the dollar store, and the girls made bracelets. I put brown paper down and then just wrote different words and names of songs and things that the girls had asked for so they could easily put their bracelets together.
Nobody and nobody trusts me. I'll be an actress star in your bad dreams. I don't trust nobody and nobody trusts me.
The girls were having so much fun, I decided to make one too that says Swiftie Mom. Ooh, I like it. This was the lipstick game, and then the girls had to guess whose lips were whose. It was fun. Typically I make things from scratch, but a party in 2 days called for pre-made things, and you know what? The girls loved it. Definitely not my finest cupcakes, but hey, they'll probably be delicious and nobody will complain.
Let me slice it. Here, let me slice it. Here. I don't think so. Here, let me slice it.
And what would you know, the girls had so much fun decorating their own cupcakes. I took photos of each of the girls and sent them to their parents. I hope this gives you some ideas for your own Taylor Swift party. Hit subscribe if you like to craft and DIY.